On Instagram, everybody is posting for free. But what if you could monetize all of that content, create more revenue streams, and do all this while owning your audience? Most creators send traffic away to a brand, to a platform, a product page, but they don't even know who clicked, who watched, who bought it. No names, no emails, no audience data. And the real danger in all of this is that if Instagram or TikTok disappears tomorrow, your entire audience goes with it. That's the risk of building your business on rented platforms. As creators, we need to focus more on increasing contacts rather than increasing followers, as that's what will help not depend on platforms for connecting with our audience. I discovered this. The link is going to be down there in the description. This is a link in bio tool where you can generate multiple revenue streams and, most importantly, own your audience while doing it. And it's not only one option. PopStore is your place to monetize all your content in numerous ways. Subscriptions, digital downloads, one-on-one talks. It all lives on your bio store. Let's just say, for example, that you want to go to travel to Spain and you just film yourself all the way you do it. And then people watch your content and they're just figuring out where they can just watch the next part. Well, you can turn that into series, just like Netflix, into My Life option that they have. Within the My Life option, you can tease the viewers. For example, you can give them 1 or 2 episodes for free. And then later on, you can lock the other episodes until they pay for a subscription. So not only it's helping you to organize your content, it's also helping you to monetize it. For example, there's this creator, she's called Virginia, and this is how her PopStore link looks like. If you click on exclusive content, it's going to bring you down there. And as you can see, if I wanted to, for example, start from the episode 6 here, as you can see, it's just going to let me in on a little bit, and this is a fan level clip. Now, this is a fan subscription, and only these subscribers can get this clip to watch. And the most beautiful part about this one is that you have tiers. Tiers for subscriptions. You've got subscribers, you've got fans, and you've got VIPs. Each tier comes with different benefits and perks. Now, another thing that this creator is doing smartly is monetizing the access to them. That is monetizing the DMs. You can direct all messages from Instagram to PopStore by automating responses for everyone who messages you on IG. Here, you're monetizing the advice and guidance that you would otherwise be providing for free on Instagram. Let's suppose someone DMs you, "Hey, how do I grow my followers?" They will receive an instant reply saying, "Hi, here's where I respond to my DMs." And now when the follower comes to your PopStore profile and clicks on this, message me or chat with me, they're prompted to subscribe to fan level. This creator includes the DM perks and fan subscription, and you can customize it and make it subscribers or VIPs only within the platform. You can also control the amount set for these subscriptions. So this platform provides you with all the control over each aspect on your own link. There's another creator here that I like, and this person, as you can see, he is promoting some of these free things. This is good for lead generation because if I click here, I can get this cheat code for free if I just enter the email here. But what this person is doing, and it's really smart, is one of the best options that you can use is you get people's emails, right? So PopStore allows you to build your contact list. All right, so contact list, you get all the emails from your followers. PopStore allows you to restrict buttons, videos, series for your followers. Followers can access all content on your link in bio that doesn't require a membership or a subscription. This way, whenever someone follows you here, you know your audience. Those are the things that no one can take away from you, all right? You can go to Instagram, you can go to YouTube, but for example, your channel could be taken down, or they might implement some rules that might do you some wrong. Newsletters and contact lists that you can get with PopStore is a real estate that is only yours, right? You get those emails, then you can afterwards do whatever you want with them. You can always just make some kind of a strategy to just send them out weekly newsletters later on, and you can promote your products that way. Contact list with PopStore is the best option for me. Then, of course, you get subscriptions, you get digital downloads, as we were able to see from these examples from these creators. Then there's live streams, and there's calendars, which is really, really good because you can book one-on-one calls, or you can just deal with affiliate marketing. But have a look at this. For example, this is a little course that this person has, as you can see, unlocked for $50, but down there's book one-on-one meeting. This person is charging $350 for 1 hour meeting, but they don't have to go anywhere else. The customers, I mean. They can just click on book the meeting here. They will just put in the info. They will choose date and time and complete purchase, right? So this removes any friction. PopStore has all integrated, right? The customers, they don't have to go over to a new tab because, that just brings one more opportunity for them to give up, right? This way, it's all streamlined, right? It's all on one platform and they can complete a purchase from the PopStore's interface, right? They don't have a chance to give up. Think of it like an instant buy. And of course, the series that I was telling you about, you can put whatever you want. This is perfect bio tool for you. And yeah, you can host exclusive live events. You just send the date and time to your subscribers and they're all gonna get it. Q&A sessions, no problems. Master classes as well. You own your audience and you own your monetization options. If you have your own website, you can do what this person is doing. Just put it here. And once people click on it, they're going to be redirected. And it's for any niche out there. Cooking, technology, lifestyle, fitness, whatever you have. The creator economy could approach $500 billion by 2027. It's time to get it back. All that attention, all that content you create, you know it. How hard it is to make content on a consistent, regular schedule, right? You have to show up every day. You have to pull out your phone or camera. You have to write out your scripts. You have to think of an ideas. This is a lot of work. I know it. So it's time for you to start taking control of the way you get paid and your audience. Use PopStore and live the dream. The one they promised, but they didn't deliver. So, wish you good luck. The link is going to be down there, and I'll catch you in the next one.